can also use different different methods. For example, I can also use this polynomial or power or the rational, or I can also use this interpolant method. For example, I have only for default I use this polynomial method for it. Okay, and using degree 4. Okay, you can also select this different degree from here. Okay, according to thing, so what it tells you that equation is badly conditioned, so remove the repeated data points, because the data is repeated into this line, right? So for that, what I can do, I can select on the center and scale. Okay, so now this data is now fitted on this line, right, using polynomial method, right? So according to this, my linear model or mathematical model has now been created, right? So this is the mathematical model or prediction model that has been created using this curve fitting tool. If you see this goodness of fate, this mathematical model also gives you some of the r square value, the root mean square values, and some this SSU value, right? So this will that you can create some mathematical model using this curve fitting tool, right? So now I want to see the different the comparison between this data and different the method. For example, I just want to apply it on the power function on this data. So what I can do, if I click on this fit name, the duplicate. Okay, so duplicate this the file has been created for me. What I can do, I can simply give this this rational function. Okay, and using this 3 numerator degree, also center and scale. So if you compare with this, that is the root mean square value. So the root mean square value should be less. Okay, so if you compare with this root mean square value or the r square value, so this is much better than this polynomial, sorry, the rational method, right? So we can say that this polynomial method is good fit for this data, right? I can also compare using this method, right? So I'm deleting it now. So this polynomial function has been applied on this data. Now I want to create this as a function, right? So what I can do, if I just right click on there, so save untitled fit one to workspace. So I want to save it to into the workspace. Okay, so MATLAB will give me three options. So save fit MATLAB object to this the workspace. Also some the goodness of fit. Also save it save the output into the struct name, right? Output, right? Also I can give the fitted model. Okay, I can give like pp. Okay, so this is my model. Now if I just go back to the MATLAB workspace, okay, if I see this pp, so this is my linear model that we can say this mathematical model that I have created using curve fitting toolbox, okay, without writing single line of code, right? Now I want to predict some values. For example, I am just applying it on the 400 values there. So it will give me this predicting values, right? So with this workflow you can create your mathematical model or prediction model using this curve fitting tool, and you can see some prediction there, right? Again, coming back to here. So here in this section, what I have done, I can also use the customized functions are there. Okay, MPG B1 plus B2 into 1 divided by rated horsepower. I can also use, instead of just going to using this polynomial or the mathematical functions in CF tools or curve fitting tools, I can also use this customizable equations are there. Okay, so with this I can create mathematical model there also, right? So let me run this first. And with that, what I can do, I can give the fitted model, right? So as you can see that, so this is the fit of this MPG city versus rated horsepower that we have created, right? So this is the prediction model that we have created. Okay, so this is the fit line Further, I can also apply this model on the different columns which are available into table, or whatever the variable that I have selected here, using some the compound bounds, or the density, or you can say this sensitivity things here. Okay, I can also modify this thing, right? If I click on this here, okay, so it will give me some fitted value, and if I maximize it, then so we can say this is the data, this is our data, okay, and this is the curve fit, okay, this is the fitted curve, and these are the some prediction bound, okay. So there, in the future the data will be predict like this, okay. So these will be our predicting lines, we can say. Also, I just want to apply this model onto different columns which is available into this car data table. Okay, I'm applied this the, the the model that we have created, and applied it on the car city, car highway, truck city, and truck highway. Okay, so same results will give me, right? For example, this is the the linear model it will create for you, and it will also give some visualization and predicting bounds. Okay, so this way you can visualize your model, and we can see this the visualization. For example, if I have the data, the horsepower, and the miles per gallon, so what will be the prediction will be there in future. Okay, so we can predict the values or model according to some the operation that we have done here, right, using curve fitting toolbox.